This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charting the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Tuesday, the 13th of August. My disclaimer, I do this for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some of what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts, and not here to issue trading signals. Right. Let's have a look. Hi, George. Richard is me. Jack is my middle name, actually, and my pen name. All right, let's have a look at Bitcoin first. Now, nothing really to see on the weekly chart. Obviously, not done a great deal this week. And actually, last week, we went down a lot and we went up a lot, but we didn't actually get much of a candle. We are still below the daily middle band. On the 60-minute chart, we've got no divergence. But what we're looking at here is it still looks like a flag. We've not been moving an awful lot over the last day, but my lean would be in isolation that this would probably be likely to head higher. So we shall see. All right, Ethereum, not a lot to say either. Daily chart, still well below the daily middle band. Hourly chart, no divergence to speak of, although there's a weak 60-minute sell signal there on the RSI 14, but it's not an awful lot to hang out on. But what I would say is that the flag I was looking at yesterday has broken up. It retested this high, so we've now got a pretty decent looking double top. If we were to see a sustained break below 25.10, we would be looking at a target which would be in about the 22.90 area. So that would get us down to here and possibly might open up that retest low I was wondering about. That could give us, on the daily chart, nope, it couldn't. Yeah, it could give us a possible RSI 14 buy signal break. It wouldn't give us an RSI 5 anymore. All right, let's have a look at Solana. On the daily chart, not a lot to say, holding below the daily middle band. On the hourly chart, no current divergence. You can see it is compressing though, looking at the RSI. What is it compressing for? Well, this is either a flag or this is a head and shoulder forming, exactly like I was talking about yesterday. Now, if we were to be forming a head and shoulders here, then we can go a little higher. I've got declining resistance now in about the 153 area. Could certainly get up into that area a little higher, but then it would turn back down and break down. But actually, we could break down at any time. If we do see a breakdown, a sustained break below 141.26 would be looking for a target at about the 119 area. So we will see how that goes. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I'll get this posted, and another day waiting to see whether this head and shoulders is going to deliver. But what we do now have is a nice looking double top on Ethereum as well, which strengthens the downside setup somewhat. All right, take care.